Okay, let's look at a question in exercise 4.5. It's question 9. It says, show that triangle AED is similar to triangle ABC. So show that this small one is similar to that large one. Okay, and then find the value of m. We'll do that at the end. We need to show this, all right? We have to prove that the two triangles are similar. Now, the best thing to do when you have something like this is to separate one triangle from the other. So I drew this triangle here, okay, with all its measurements, and then I drew the large triangle below it, okay, with all its measurements, okay. By the way, there was an M there in the original diagram, okay. So you can see that 0.8 plus 2.2 make up this side AB, see? Okay, and the side AC is made up by 1.2 plus 0.8. Now, what I'd like you to do at this point is let's add up these sides first. So this one here becomes 3. 0.8 plus 2.2 is 3. And this one here is equal to 2. 1.2 plus 0.8 is 2. Have a look at this small triangle. Now, look at these two sides. Now, here is the angle they share. So they share this angle. Okay, that's common in both. All right, so we're looking at either side. Now, you don't always put one side over the other because it's all on the right-hand side. Be very careful. Okay, I'll tell you how this one's different. This side is smaller than that one. On this triangle, this side is smaller than that one. Okay, so this side corresponds to that one, and that one corresponds to that one. Okay? All right, if they are similar. So we need to show that they are. All right, so let's begin. We know that angle A is common, so we'll write that down. Okay. Now, I know in other diagrams you've seen these two lines being parallel and therefore you could state that there's corresponding angles, but that's not the case in this one. All right, so you have to rely on the sides. So here we go. As I said, the smaller one goes over the smaller one, the larger one goes over the larger one. All right, so AE over AC is 0.8 over 2. Okay, which gives us 0.4. Now, the other side, we got 1.2, that's AD over AB. Okay, so we'll write that down. AD over AB is 1.2 over 3. And that gives you 0.4 as well. Okay, so we have two pairs of sides in the same proportion and their included angle is equal. So we can conclude that the two triangles are similar. Okay, therefore triangle AED is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, and you've got to state why. So two pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion or are proportional, and their included angles are equal. And that concludes that one, that part of the question. Okay, find the value of m. Now that we know that they're similar, that's quite easy to do, right? Let's go to our separated triangles. It's much easier if we do. Start with m and put it over its corresponding side, which has got to be 1.7. So m over 1.7. And then just choose another side. Let's choose the large one, 3. It's equal to 3 over, remember, the large one, which is 1.2. Okay? And then you just find m. So 3 times 1.7 divided by 1.2 is 4.25. And that concludes that question.